Hello friends, I am Graham from PII Web Tech. Today I am talking about selection criteria of an SEO agency for your business, or you can say that how to choose the right SEO or online marketing service provider for your business. You can choose the best service providers for your online marketing service needs by doing a bit of research. There are many SEO companies and agencies in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, NCR and other cities in India that provide good services to clients based in these areas. These agencies have employees who are experienced in optimizing websites for search engines, and they also have the necessary technology and software to help you achieve your business goals. However, it is important to understand that each service provider has its own strengths and limitations, which you should consider before hiring them. Most of the top service providers are experts in the field of search engine optimization. This is an area where they specialize and offer customized solutions to meet the needs of their clients. The top-notch SEO agencies offering such services have experienced and skilled team of experts who ensure an impeccable workflow and are ready to work with a client's budget. They ensure that every client is given his due. Some of the major factors that determine the quality of the service providers you should consider. I am talking about here some of the major points you should consider while choosing right agency for your business SEO. Consider the experience and skills of the SEO team. A few years back, SEO was just starting to make waves, but today this area has become quite popular with big corporate players who do not have time to promote their website on their own. The best of the best SEO service providers have years of experience and skills to help you grow your business online. They will analyze your website and see how you are progressing with your marketing campaign and suggest the best solution to help your website move up the search engine rankings. An SEO service provider offering good services will keep you updated about current trends in the industry and be able to give you fresh ideas to improve your online presence. It is important that you select service providers who will work as a team. When you talk to SEO experts, it is likely that they will be talking to one another as well as to the other agencies and departments within the company. Having your SEO experts from different places to work together on your website will help achieve better results in terms of the quality and effectiveness of your online marketing service. Also, it will allow the experts to share their ideas more effectively and have more time to give your suggestions for improvement. This will also ensure that you get more from your SEO service provider. Try to get quotes from various SEO service providers. In the competitive field of online marketing service, every organization has its competitors and it becomes hard to stand out. If you want to get the best online marketing service for your website, make sure you choose those with proven experience in the field and good customer testimonials. Try to get at least 3 quotes and compare them thoroughly. Also inquire about the reputation of the service providers in your city. Invest in technology. If you want to succeed in your online marketing service campaign in Delhi, it would do you a world of good if you had high-speed internet connection and other online technologies like social media, mobile broadband, etc. These are important to be on top of the search engine rankings. If you are looking to expand your reach in Delhi, try to invest in SEO software and online marketing service providers who can help you handle your SEO activities better. This will help you handle your business and your clients better while you continue to enjoy your success. Look for those who offer affordable SEO services. The cost of doing SEO activities differ according to the depth of work. If you are just starting, then you don't have to worry about initial investment. But if you want to invest in long-term activities, then it makes sense to opt for an affordable online SEO company that offers long-term benefits. You should also take into consideration the level of service that they provide and whether they can meet your online marketing objectives well. Look for those who are willing to customize their services to meet your needs. Look for an online marketing service provider who is based in your city. A lot of factors like location, time, and importance of the project will determine your choice of an online marketing service provider. If you want to save time and efforts, choose a company which is easily accessible to you. Also look for those who are willing to help you take the right steps in building your business. I will be sharing more information on SEO projects in coming days. Please subscribe to our channel and make sure you do not miss any of the videos. Do not forget to click on bell button. Thanks for your time. Bye.